it's your girl, Twila Cole, aka Sister Cole. So I'm gonna do a little short video with you guys. I'm making some steamed fish this Sunday morning, and I'm gonna show y'all, how I did it. But I'm not gonna like talk the whole thing. I'm just gonna show you guys, put it together and show it. All right, and so here we go, steamed fish, baby. All right, so here's my fish. This right here is whiting that I'm going to use. I usually don't use whiting for steamed fish, but I'm going to use this because my grandbabies can't eat the fish with the bone in it. So I got this whiting, which is seasoned up just like the other fish that I'm going to use, bluefish. But, so that they can enjoy the fish as well, So these are my fish. Now this is the bluefish that is seasoned up as well, okay? And all right, and these are my seasonings. I have onions, I have okra, and I have carrots. Just know that preparing the food, I make sure that I wash my hands very, very clean. Make sure you do the same, okay? And the seasonings that I had used on the fish is thyme, all-purpose seasoning, the Maggi all-purpose seasoning. I threw some paprika in there for color. I put some garlic powder and a little bit of Lawry's, okay, and then pimento seeds, okay, well, of course, my fresh thyme. So that's what I put on the fish, okay? So I put the vegetables in the pot, okay? And I added some seasoning also inside the pot. So what I'm doing now is kind of like steaming the vegetables, all right? I'm steaming the vegetables. I had put some butter, pepper, garlic, a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. So I put it inside the pot. You flavor it to your liking, the way you want it, okay? That's one thing about these videos. Remember, you use the flavor that you want. You do it how you want to do it. But this is how Sister Cole does it. This is how Sister Cole do it in her kitchen. All right? What I'm doing is giving you an idea so that you can let your creativity flow. Because it's all about letting our creativity flow. Let it flow, let it flow. All right, so this is the vegetables that was steamed up, and I added a little milk, coconut milk, to the sauce. That's to make the cream thick and nice and just taste really good. I know some of you are probably like, oh my gosh, coconut milk, I've never seen it in steamed fish. Well, guess what? You're going to try it now. It's very delicious. Don't knock it till you try it. Okay, checking on the vegetables. Yes, they're coming very nice, getting soft. Pretty soon I'm going to add the fish in and let it steam. But right now I'm just trying to let the carrots get a little soft, okay? So to make sure all your vegetables are like cooked down before you add the fish, because it doesn't take fish long to cook. You see what I'm saying? You see me? You see what I'm saying? You see me? Yes, yes. Okay, so listen, I need you guys to subscribe to my page. Please. Those of you who look at my videos and you enjoy them, if you have not subscribed, please do so. Please do so. There's no moment like now, okay? Now, if you've gotten anything out of any of my cooking videos, let a sister know. I would love to hear it. Now, I know that you all are great cooks, and I know I am not taking nothing away from you, but each one teach one, baby. So if you've gotten something, can you just let Sister Cole know? All right? I enjoy doing these videos. Do you guys like looking at them? Let me know. Even if you don't, you can say it, but just say something. Let me know that you're there. See, I added the bluefish in. I'm going to add the whiting in, but not right now because the whiting, if I put it in now, it'll be in too long and it'll start breaking up. So I'll add that in when this is practically almost done. You guys see it? But you see how that paprika gave it a color? See, that's why I used the paprika. Not so much for the flavor because paprika don't have no flavor, but more so for the coloring. It will hold y'all, but if you could taste this, when I tell you that it is it is flavored to the guards, yo, It's the fish for me. It's the fish for me. Is it the fish for you? The fish for you. So I just added the other fish to the pot. And now at this process, I'm just gonna let it sit and steam till it's done. When you guys, I wish y'all could taste it. You know, go ahead. I wish y'all could, honestly. It tastes so good, y'all.